Hello, in front of me I've got the Elder Scrolls Oblivion. In this video I'll show you how to enchant your gear. Before enchanting, make sure that you've got spells and soul gems. The soul gems have to be filled with souls. The bigger the soul gem and the greater the soul, the stronger the spell can be. Next, find Altar of Enchanting. You can find one in Frostcrack Spire. But before you can use it, you have to buy candles in Imperial City Market District. Activate the altar and select gear you would like to enchant. Select Soul, Gem, and in the end select Effect. Enter the name of the item and enchant. The higher level in enchanting you've got, the better skills and more skills you can add to your gear. For example, right now I can add only one skill to the item, but later I'll be able to add 2 skills. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.